Want to share your Instagram collections with friends? Here's how you can create and share a saved collection in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app and go to the Reels or Posts section. Scroll and find the post you want to save. Tap on the three dots on the post and select Save. Now you can either add it to an existing collection or create a new one. If you choose a new one, give your collection a name that you like. Next, tap on Add People to Collection. Your friends list will appear, so select the people you want to share it with. Once done, tap Done in the top right corner, and then tap Save. To check your collection, go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Saved. Open your newly created collection folder. Now your friends can view and even add posts to the shared collection. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.